Bingo.
I'm going to secure them about the neck. My thumb here, my finger here on either side.
Okay.
I'm going to roll back to the back of the head. I'm going to replace this finger with one roll, and then using the thumb on the other side of the neck, I'm going to slide the other roll under and around and on top of to restrain him. And now I've got it like a neck brace around either side of the neck. To get to the feet, I'm just going to roll up the bottom and find his feet in the towel. Come on. Sometimes the nails get hooked on the towel and you got to dig them out.
Right.
Alright, once I've got that nail out, I'm just going to fold back the towel and groom from there.
This one has more of the blue around the top of the beak.
Yeah, Flounder's a little unusual. He doesn't really have much blue at all. Let's see those wings. Come on. And when you pull the wings out, you want to pull it straight out and go gently. A lot of times on
Okay, straight out or straight down? What was the deal with the shoulder there that you were saying before?
I'm trying to think. When you've got them down, I'm coming straight out. Yeah, straight out this way.
Okay, straight down toward you.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
A lot of times on older macaws, because they don't use their wings very often, they can get arthritis and have the joints get really stiff on the wings.
Okay.
And so the birds can get really stiff, and it can actually hurt them quite a bit to unfold them.
Okay.
If that happens on a macaw, usually I ask